Is it a mistake for older foreigners to seek a young Filipina for relationship? Do you feel most young Filipinas will take advantage of older foreigner? In your opinion, what's a good age gap for an older foreigner and young Filipina relationship?
Age doesn't matter naman.
What's your biggest concern about dating a young Filipina? Is it a mistake for older foreigners to seek a young Filipina for relationship?
Um, from my own opinion, it is a mistake because people would think that Filipina is just a gold digger.
How about what they feel? Do you think it matters?
It depends
It depends to what?
for the couple. Yeah.
Oh, it depends if they really love each other, then so be it like that.
Yes po.
Do you feel most young Filipina will take advantage of older foreigners?
No, I think no. Because
You can say it in Tagalog.
meron po kasing mga Filipina na pure din po ang
Intention.
intention po.
Okay, so she said that because there are also Filipinas that has a pure intentions. Okay, a lot of Filipinas or some?
Some.
Some. Okay, so meaning you're saying that there are really like the most are because you said some, so
So po.
you didn't think so.
Yes.
Okay, well, how old are you?
20.
20 years old. She's very cute. Okay, you're welcome. In your honest opinion, okay, in your very honest opinion, what's a good age gap for an older foreigner and young Filipina relationship?
10?
10 years. That's a good age gap.
Mm.
Okay. Like, for example, he is 40 years old and she's 30.
Yes.
Is it a mistake for older foreigners to seek a young Filipina?
Well, actually, it depends.
Depends to what?
To age. Well, it doesn't matter regarding the bracket. Example for, the young Filipinas around 19 to 25. It's still young. It's still young. So it's still considered that, or it it will be irregardless if a foreigner wanted to have a relationship on that age. So yeah, it really depends.
How about if the Filipina is, let's say, she is 18 years old and then the foreigner is 60 years old? Do you think is it a big mistake?
Well, um, yeah, yeah. Actually, it is now based on the tradition regarding the Filipino culture, because 18, it's still young. For me, it's still young. You don't have the enough knowledge regarding things. So yeah, 18 is still under the custody of the parents. So here in the Philippines, 17 or 18 years of age, they still need proper guidance from their parents.
Okay.
So that includes as well, choosing your partner or being in a relationship.
Do you feel most young Filipinas will take advantage of older foreigner?
Well, um, I can say
Most.
mostly, but it is actually not how it is today. But yeah, I am not in the position to to say like certain things just to avoid drama from the internet. But um, yeah, it's actually it depends.
In your opinion, okay, what's a good age gap for an older foreigner and young Filipina relationship?
Personally, it's at least 5 years, 5 years age gap.
Okay. How about 10? It's not good? 15?
If the woman is matured enough already to handle the relationship, then age gap would no longer matter.
That's beautiful. Okay, how old are you? That's my question now.
I'm 25 years old.
25 and still in college, right?
No, I'm actually pursuing law.
Oh, wow! So you're gonna be a lawyer.
I cannot say that, but hopefully, yeah, hopefully.
Oh, we should have your contact. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Is it a mistake for older foreigner to seek a young Filipina?
Maybe for me is no, because everyone has deserved to love what they nationality, and everyone have right to love what they want to love.
What they want to love, or who they want to love to, right? Or who they love, right? Because we're talking about young Filipina and then them older. Okay, yun nga nasabi namin. Okay, there you go. So it doesn't matter. It's a no. It's not a mistake, right?
Yes po.
In your opinion, what's a good age gap for an older foreigner and young Filipina relationship?
10 years ganyan.
10 years. She's very cute. How old are you?
I'm 19.
19 years old. And are you single or in a relationship? Do you have a boyfriend? What?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
2 years.
Is it a mistake for older foreigner to seek a young Filipina?
I think no, because if you someone, wait lang.
If you love someone,
What? It's it the is age doesn't matter naman.
age doesn't matter. How old are you?
24.
24. And are you single?
Yes.
How long have you been single?
A month. I think 5.
I think it's been a long time.
Yeah. Tapos then may kaano din ako ng foreigner.
You have a foreigner?
Lately.
What? Boyfriend?
No, talking stage.
Talking stage foreigner. Oh, where is he from?
US.
And how old is he?
30.
30 years old. Are you still talking with him right now?
Yeah.
Okay, good luck. In your opinion, what's a good age gap for an older foreigner and young Filipina relationship?
5 years or 6? 6.
5 or 6?
Okay.
That's a good age gap. How about 10?
Pwede.
Could be. Today we have a very handsome subscribers of ours. Is it okay if you introduce yourself to our, viewers, of course?
Yes, my name is Stephen. I'm from the United States.
Yes. So you're, how long have you been here in Bicol?
I've been in Bicol about a week now, and it's a terrific city. I really love Bicol, or Naga City in particular.
Yes, Naga City, Bicol. How was it, sir, here?
I think it's exciting because you have so many people that are coming out at night. I think that there's a lot of industry coming up around this area, and it seems really like a positive vibe to me. I really like it a lot.
I have a question for him. That's why we're trying to interview him. Okay, the question straight for you is, what's your biggest concern about dating a young Filipina?
I think anybody that comes from a different country where there's a different culture, especially when you're looking at age gap differences, I think that the Filipina has to be very careful to do their homework and really learn about where this guy is from and what his intentions are, because not everybody in the West has money, and sometimes they might find themselves in another country and they really are not happy there. Just overall vetting the person, because sometimes I think you think, well, this person is going to help me out because financially I'm going to be in a better place. But if you're in a different country, you're away from your family, you're away from your friends, that's a whole game changer. And it may not be what you think it's going to be. So I think you should become friends for a long time. And I think if your foreign boyfriend has the opportunity to bring you to the country that he's from and have him pay for all of that, I think you'll have a much better view of what you're getting into.
You're single, right, sir?
Yes, I am.
Are you talking to someone here now? Like, especially here in Naga.
No, not in Naga City. I have a very good friend who's in Manila. I'll be seeing pretty soon. But we're more friends at this stage, and looking forward to seeing her, but we're friends.
How old is she, sir?
I am 69 years old.
And her, you're the Filipina.
She's 26.
26, okay.
So I take that into account too.
I told him before, I said, you don't look like you're in your 60s. He looks like younger for his age. But anyway, thank you so much, sir. We really appreciate your time. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflections